Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have VS Code installed. Open it and make sure a folder or workspace is loaded so themes apply to the right project. Next, invoke the theme picker. Press Ctrl+K then Ctrl+T, or open the command palette and type theme. This immediately shows installed themes and a live preview. Try a few to see colors change. Once done, pause on when you like to lock it in and get ready to add more options from the marketplace. You should now browse the extensions view. Search themes by name or style and inspect screenshots and ratings before installing. After install, reload if VS Code asks, then open the theme picker to preview the new theme live. If colors clash with your icons or terminal, make small adjustments in settings. Search token color customizations or workbench. Color customizations and change specific scopes. This lets you fine-tune syntax highlighting and background contrast, so use targeted edits rather than switching themes repeatedly. Once you pick a theme, set it permanently in Settings or Run Preferences. Color theme to save it. If colors don't look right, disable other color or icon extensions, then restart VS Code to rule out collisions. If problems persist, open Settings. JSON and check for leftover customizations or restore defaults. You can also clear the application cache or reset the window. A single troubleshooting tip. Disable
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.